So my name is Jason Browning. I am from Louisville, Kentucky. I purchased 5-Star Bath Solutions of Louisville in December of 2019. I've been in the bath remodel business for 6 years, and I'm excited to be on board. My professional background prior to 5-Star Bath Solutions was in-home services, bath remodeling. I've been doing it for 6 years. So what made me want to become a franchise owner, I enjoy in-home services and enjoy working for myself. I'd owned a business in the past prior to doing the remodeling, and I just started thinking that I might want to get back into that again, but I knew it was in-home services and bath remodel. And I chose 5-Star Bath Solutions because some of the values that they have are some of the values that I have, guaranteeing our work and things like that. But what I enjoy most about the bath remodel industry and owning a home remodel business is dealing with the customer. I always enjoy the walkthrough. It's the best time for me. They get to see their new bathroom, and they're always super excited and love what we've done for them. My advice to others looking into franchise ownership is make sure you look for something that you love to do. And make sure the company that you're looking into loves what they do. I think if those two things, if you just focus on that and love what you do, you'll never work a day. 5-Star Bath Solutions stuck out at me because values, for one. You know, I want to guarantee the work that I do. I enjoy in-home services. I want to be around for a long time. And I think that the values that 5-Star have are in line with my values. Also, it's the people. The people here, they do love what they do, and it shows. And that was a big part of why I chose 5-Star. A big contribution to my success at 5-Star is support from franchise and franchisees. Everyone's a big family here. So if there's something I run into that's new, it's not new to 5-Star. So there's always someone to reach out to and get through those hurdles or help the customer get to where they need to be.